Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and I'm going to share with you guys our next week trading fundamental analysis. That means news analysis. Okay, next week will be very important for us because next week is the first week of September. So for the first week, we have NFP news. Okay, we have a NFP news. That's why this is a very important week for us. So what we need to do for now, we need to analyze the market and we will decide the market movement, or we will analyze the market movement and decide how we can manage the trade or how we can manage the risks. Okay, so as usual, if we want to trade on XAUUSD, because of the relation with the USD, we need to follow the USD news. Okay, as always. So as you can see there, it's for like each and every week. If we have positive news, that means news come with positive data like green 0.5%, green 245k indicates sell for gold. Okay, that means if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, for negative value we will buy gold. So you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why we buy for negative value, why we sell for positive value? So as you can see there, I just make a chart over here for the better understanding. Okay, we have to concern about two line above over here. As you can see there, one is gold value is always fixed. Okay, that means it is a fixed variable. Okay, and USD value changeable. That means for number 2, this is variable and this is constant. Okay, gold price is always fixed, just USD price will up and down. Okay, as for the market movement yesterday, maybe gold price is around 2520 suppose. Okay, so this is gold price, so it can be 2530, it can be 2550. okay, so here is the scenario. Gold price is fixed and USD price just moving around the chart. Okay, so we have to concern about this, or we have to keep in your mind these two line. Okay, so suppose right now this is gold bar and this is USD. Okay, one XAUUSD bar is equal to 2500. That means one gold is equal to 2500 USD. Okay, if we think about that, so one gold is always constant if we want to trade. Okay, it can be 2505, that means USD price can be 2450, that can be ups or down. Okay, if we think about the practical value, or if we think about practically. Okay, so for now, as you can see there, if USD price come negative with negative data, as I said, gold is always constant. As you can see there, gold is always constant is each and every scenario. But USD comes with negative data in news time. That's a USD lose. USD lose is its strength. Okay, strength. This is very important video, guys. You may take a screenshot about above the chart, or you can see the video multiple times, so you may crack your fundamental analysis. So if gold USD lose is strength 5%, that means this same triangle just lose 5%. Okay, that means minus 5%. It can be that one, minus 5%. So as per gold price is always constant, gold price is always constant, so USD loses strength. So for gold, if we want to buy same amount of gold, we have to add our USD. That means we have to buy USD. Okay, we have to add USD. If we want to make again that triangle, we have to buy more USD. So in this chart, suppose this is a chart, we have to add more USD. That means gold is going to fly above. Okay, this is the reason why gold price is going up when USD price going negative. Okay, in the same scenario, same triangle for gold, but USD got plus value, that means positive value. So USD got bigger. So if we decrease some value from there, then it will be same as gold. That means we have to sell gold. Okay, XAUUSD. Hopefully you understand about the concern. If you don't understand about this topic or about this all of graphical chart, you may see this video or you may see this video again and again, so you may clear about the concern. So if we get down little bit more, that means if I want to see what news come, what are the upcoming news on this week, as you can see there is a lot of week. I just filtered all from there. So you may select your currency, your news strength, blah blah blah, and above here we can select date. Okay, in forexfactory.com. So I just selected USD major and semi major. That's all semi major, and red one is major news. Okay, so as you can see there, we just, if we take a look on Monday, September 2, as you can see the world USD bank holiday. That's the market is going to be very slow, or market is moving just sideways, like channel wise, or like support and resistance wise. We will also trade on bank holiday, no problem, no worry, but market will not move much more. Okay, not maybe more than 100 pips. It will move around 20, 30, 50 pips, but we will took each and every advantage from the market. In the Tuesday, we have 2 USD news same time, as you can see there. If news data come with negative value, that means minus value, then we will buy gold. Okay, buy. If come with positive value, we will sell gold. Okay, and again Wednesday we have one news, job opening, and if news come with negative value, we will buy. If with positive value, we will sell. On the Thursday, we have a lot of news, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means total 4 news, and there is 1 semi major news and 3 of them major news. This is very important, very important day for us. We will follow the same theory. Okay, and for the Friday final day, that means we have NFP, non-farm employment challenge. At the same time, we have 3 news at 6:30. You may check your local time. Maybe my time is wrong on device, that's why there is showing wrong time. So I will correct it. You may go forexfactory.com and check your local time. Okay, and another time we have another USD semi major news, and this NFP news is very important. Okay, maybe market is going to move 300 to 500 pips in this week, in this Friday. So we have to very concerned, we have to very alert about this news. Okay, so I just try to clear all the thing about forex fundamental theory or fundamental analysis. You may understand about this thing. If you have any query or any question about the topic, or this is a new topic, if you have any question, you may ask us on Telegram. Our Telegram link is t.me/fx billionaire hub. Okay, same as our channel name, or you can visit our website fxbillionaireHub.com. So that's for now. Happy trading, have a nice day.